please don't forget to like and subscribe and support our channel.
Everybody shake it.